everyone, welcome back to my channel. On May 1st, 1989, Disney's MGM Studios, or what's known today as Hollywood Studios, opened its doors to the public, showing guests the magic of movie making. Though the park has gone through a lot of changes in the past 35 years, it is still such a fun park to visit, with nostalgia from its early years as MGM Studios to newer areas in the park where you are stepping into your favorite films. So to celebrate, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a cake for the 35th anniversary. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking.
For this film roll inspired cake, I baked and leveled 3 6-inch layers of my chocolate cake. To make the film roll look, I place each layer on an 8-inch cake board and dirty ice the sides of them, then place them in the fridge to chill. All the cake boards have a hole through the middle, so it's easier to keep the staggered look in place when I insert the main dowel in later. I then made some gray fondant, then covered each layer's cake boards in the fondant. Each layer has 2 cake boards, the bottom as one side of the film roll and the top as the other side. 2 of the remaining cake boards, I covered those in fondant according to how they would be visible when stacked. The board that is going to be for the top of the cake has more details to it. I first covered it in black fondant, then rolled out gray fondant. I gently pressed the 35th anniversary logo I made on my Cricut. This will act as a guide when painting on the writing details. Next, I cut out 5 circles that are usually on film rolls and added some water to the black fondant and carefully placed the gray fondant on top. I made sure to smooth the top as much as I could, then went in with black food coloring to paint in the writing. I had to improvise a little when I accidentally dropped the brush. To hide the accidental paint marks and to add a little extra magic to the top, I painted the iconic moon and stars from Sorcerer Mickey's hat he wears in Fantasmic, the nighttime show in the park. Now it's time to decorate the sides of each cake. I rolled out 2-inch strips of white fondant and wrapped it around each layer with some water. I then cut out the film strip edible images I made, applied water to the back, and then placed them on top of the fondant. For example, there are pictures I took of Toy Story Land, the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular, and Muppets Courtyard, with pictures of Buzz and Woody flying in Toy Story, Indiana from Raiders of the Lost Ark, and Kermit from the Muppets movie. The bottom and the top layer were completely covered with the edible image, but I partially covered the middle layer for now. I placed the dowel into the bottom cake layer, applied buttercream to the top, and then added the partially covered cake board. I applied some buttercream to the board, then added the middle layer. I completed the decorating for the middle layer by applying a strip of the edible image and letting it flow down the cake board as if it is a loose strip of film. I spread on some more buttercream and added the other partially covered cake board. Then I added the last cake layer and finally placed the fully decorated board on top. And that's how I decorated this film rolled inspired cake in celebration of Hollywood Studios' 35th anniversary.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the cake and I hope you did as well. This is such a fun park to visit and I have my must-dos every time I go. I have to go see the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular, go on Slinky Dog Dash, walk around Galaxy's Edge with my camera, go see One Man's Stream, and of course end the night watching Fantasmic. If you recreate this cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, enjoy your cake, and happy 35 years Disney's Hollywood Studios. Bye!